Welcome Transformer fans to another Optimus Wilbur review, and today we're looking at the one-step Dragonstorm right here in Optimus Wilbur reviews. So hey everyone, Will here. So let's look at Dragonstorm. I actually picked this up really cheap. Managed to get it for about £20 here in the UK. Some places still want to sell this for nearly £80, £75, when it is just a one-step. I've not got him out of the box, but I do have the one-step Grimlock, and I do like him. And I think I'm going to like this figure as well. And I think for like younger children who wants like a big transformer, and it's not overly complicated to transform, these are really the good ones to go to. And at the price it was at £19.99, I think you should check it out. So let's get him out of the box, do the one-step transform, and let's compare him to the one-step Grimlock for size comparison and stuff as well. And here he is, folks, similar to the Grimlock in the way like the handle works and everything, and he also has like voice activation and stuff. And the cool thing is as well, if you had the one-step last night figures, he has this blue light sound effects as well, and that's scanned on like the figures to reveal the symbol. And I'm going to turn that off because he's going to keep doing that. Of course, back in the channel, I think, I can't remember, it was like the 5th review or something earlier on, we did do the deluxe Dragonstorm, or the Voyager Dragonstorm. So this was the main one they were trying to push, like they did with the Grimlock of the Age of Extinction one-step. One thing I have noticed as well, especially when you're trying to transform them, before we do it, the wings easily come off. They just clip back on right enough, but they do tend to come off quite easy. And that's only the bad thing I found with this figure. Like I said, does all the usual stuff, so you can make them do that. And I'm going to turn off the sound again. And that's where basically the wingspan comes in. His tail, like Grimlock, take it off, and that's his weapon. Now we put the sound on, let's get them transformed with the one-step process. Pulling that button, and it's basically yanking them down. And
protect the Autobots.
He's okay. He's okay. He's not as good as Grimlock in my opinion. Grimlock, I think, is a much better figure compared to Dragonstorm. The arms are quite springy, which I don't like. At least he says Cybertronian phrases, and of course you can clip the sword into his hand when it wants to go in. And it looks like you have to do it that way. So there you go. You can move the hand like that. There's not much articulation to this figure. The detail, however, is pretty good. I do like the red and black over the dragon stuff. So let's now compare him to Grimlock for size comparison as well. As you can clearly see, there is a massive size difference between Dragonstorm and Grimlock. The one-step ones, they are good for young children, don't get me wrong. This Grimlock I wanted because it's big Grimlock, you need to have him. The Dragonstorm, for the price, I wanted to pick him up. It's dragons. So that is kind of like the size comparison. There's not really much in it when you're looking at what one's going to be bigger or what. So let's get them into transformation mode and let's see the size comparison again. And there you can see, I've not put the tail on him, but clearly Grimlock's bigger in every way possible, as it should be. It's Grimlock. It is a cool looking figure, especially for a one-step. But if you could, he's still the better one to have, Grimlock. Everybody loves Grimlock, but can he eat him? Yep, he can get it. Oh, he's getting it! So, yeah. Just a little quick video I thought today, showcasing Dragonstorm I managed to pick up. Okay for the price, not worth more than £20 in my opinion. If you manage to get that at £20 or less, you're on for a bargain. But if you get him higher than £20, you will be disappointed because of the lack of the things the figure can do. Detail's okay, transformation for the one-steps, it's basic, just press a button, pull, and that's it, they're transformed. But it's not worth some of the prices this was coming in at, especially when it first came out. This was $74.99 in the UK alone. It's not worth it. Get it for $20. If you can get it for that, you're on to a winner. Thank you everyone for tuning into the video today. Remember, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and that notification bell so you know that a new Optimus Wilbur review goes live. Also, be sure to check me out on Facebook, Optimus Wilbur Reviews, Twitter Rodimus8, and Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just hit that in the search engine at the top. Also, if you wish to become a Patreon or buy from the merch store, look in the description box below. Lastly, I'd like to thank the Cybertronic Spree for allowing me to use their music. Cybertronic Warrior is the theme for the channel. Please check them out on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook and give them the support they deserve. This band is fantastic and do amazing covers, so please send your support to them. And remember, Transformer fans, till all are one.